Welcome to Second Chance Garage. Okay, I was just out. Decided to mess around with Mustang Sally a little bit. My 95 Mustang. And I got a new kill switch for it. So I thought I would go ahead and throw that on tonight. I'm not going to do too much. But I will show you. Let's see. Right. Bring you over here a minute. Okay, this is the battery tray. Right here is a bolt that's rusted off. There's a spacer block that goes there that holds the battery in. Well, I got a new battery for it, but that's busted off. So now I got to drill that out and put a carriage bolt through there. And then on the bottom side, I can actually get to it, put a lock washer with a wing nut, tighten it up. But I'm not going to do that tonight. I just thought I would shoot a video of putting this kill switch on. Just waiting for the camera to fall again, because it falls almost every time I shoot a video. Alright, so anyway, right here's where it goes. So I got to lay it right here. Now the other one, you just turned it on and off. This one is a little different. It's got a key. And I don't know if I like the key or not. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It comes with this here key. And then you take your rubber boot off the top and you stick your key in the top. It'll line up. Then you push down on it and turn it, and that shuts the power off. But the key is in there. Then when you turn the power back on, well, the key comes out. Don't know if I like that or not. Undecided at this juncture. So okay, now I have to figure out this. Okay, so I guess it doesn't matter which way the power flows. I guess the power would flow in here, so okay. Let me take this off. It's a switch, so I mean, it doesn't matter. DC switch on top of it, so it really don't matter. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. I'll take this one off. Yeah, I tested that battery. I tried to charge it without it being in the car even, and it was deader than a hammer. Alright. That is in good shape, so I don't have to worry about that. It's going to go in like this. So this goes on here like so. Yep. It'll go like this. Add other, well, doggone it. And this is going to go up here like this. Well, or maybe it's not. It's smaller, so it won't fit on there. Isn't that wonderful? I was going to use the existing bolt and bracket, but it's so small. This is so small it won't fit. Oh man, that's wonderful. Alright. So the fun continues. This is why I decided that I was just going to do this and nothing else, because I figured I would get into some snowball activity like this. And it's got to be out far enough that it's not going to touch either one of the positives. Well, that's disappointing. Alright, let's see if I can get this out of there. Well, am I going to do this? Yes, I know. Drill another hole through the big piece of steel. But I gotta make sure. Let's see. Oh, okay. I think that the piece of steel isn't thick enough to go to get down to the terminals. So, okie doke. So now I have to mark this, drill the hole. Right. Drill a new hole and mount it. Boy, nothing's easy, is it? Nothing's ever easy. I am disappointed. I knew I'd probably have this problem because it was the other breaker was about this big around, so it actually had bigger ears that stuck out. Great. Yeah. Let's see here. Okay, I got a mark where I need to drill it. Oh, nice. Okay, well, I'll probably just end this video and deal with this later because my drill is out in the shop, out in Dad's shop, because we were using it on a Ranger. So, okay, I don't like that anyway. Let me remark it. It's too close to this other hole. Let me move it over here. That's better. Yeah. Okay. Now it's in about the middle, and I know where I got it marked here. So I'll try to erase that with the old finger. It worked. Green stuff on my finger. Okay, so I'll show you where I got it marked. But yeah, my drill's outside in Dad's shop with the Ranger. So let me show you where I got it marked. Okay, I got it marked right here in the middle of this steel plate. So this will go right there like that. And then as you can see, possibly maybe, hold on, let's see if you can see it or not. Right here. I think there's too much crap in the way. There you can see that the space between right here will be okay because the thickness of the steel doesn't come down to contact the positives. So it'll sit somewhat like that. And then it's, like I said, it's not thick enough to touch the positives. So, yippee skippy. If I had my drill, I probably would do this tonight, but I've already shot the last two videos I shot, if you watched them. One of them was cleaning up a ball for a guy at work, the guy I did the trailer work for. And the other one was the pressure washer fittings and stuff, which I'll do and so if I had my drill, I could drill out that, and then I could also drill that out. I could drill out the the bolt that's busted off on the battery thing, and I can drill out that. You drill out this, and I can drill out this one here, but I don't feel like going all the way out to Dad's shed. It's already about 6:30, 7 o'clock. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's beautiful out, which is rare. But anyway, I'm going to go in and get something to eat, I think. So I'll come back with this project, but at least you kind of see where I'm going to be going with. I'll probably be shooting this video in the next couple days because I'll eventually go out and get the drill. So I'm just too lazy to walk out there and get it. So anyway, Second Chance Garage. If you like it, subscribe. Uncle Russ out.